You are welcome back to our YouTube channel, Crypto Family, a place where we share an important information concerning cryptocurrency. So today we are going to walk you through the new mining project that is out not quite long, few months ago. So, and it's being called Santex Mining Application. This application has been going on for almost a week now, almost a month now. So, and the only thing you need to understand in this particular project is that it's the same thing as of AZ coin. So that is how this particular site is worked. So if you check AZ coin, you know that AZ coin has a good potential that they can update a new information, as in any information concerning the crypto news. So you can get it in AZ coin, likewise this particular site. So now today I'm going to show you how to perform tasks in order to earn more token from this particular site, because it has different method of mining. It's not coming every 24 hours to reactivate. Rather, if you perform some tasks, you earn more points, which is what I'm going to reveal to you. So the number one task you need to perform in order to earn more tasks is that you click on this Web3. I'm going to just show you, because if I should perform all the tasks during this video section, it's going to take much of our time. The number one task you need to perform is the Web3 wallet, which is they have article section and they have video section. So the article section is where you read some of this information, and after 30 minutes you earn 51 text token. So after that, there's another task you need to perform, which is the video section. The video section is what they added every 72 hours or 24 hours. Then you come and watch, then you earn 30 text token. So after that, they has task which I have performed daily task for today. They have many tasks which, if I should click on it, it will take much of our time. Just go ahead and participate. As you can see, start task. So you can go ahead and participate. Second one is the daily task, which I have done. You can go ahead and perform some daily tasks. So, and another one is the quiz. The good part of this quiz is that it's not most that you must get the answer correctly before they will tell you congratulations. So you can only perform the task, and today I have performed, as you can see, this one has daily task. I have performed it. So you will go to general quest, which is where you need to answer some question. For instance, if I should click on this, then only thing you need to do is make sure you participate, or make sure you interact with the site every day to answer this question. Either you get it correct or not, they will definitely going to give you the product. So the only thing you need to do, as I see this side here, they said what is the wallet signatures in crypto. So you can click any one. It's no matter you perform it correctly. So go ahead and click another one. They said key is used to generate a wallet signature. So go ahead and click yes, public. So another one says click this one. Another one says signature important Web3 apps. So click on next. So, and another one says signature verify. So you can just click any one. It's almost you get it correctly. So they will tell you congratulations, you have earned more points. They have earned times 3 of it. So if you want to go more, you watch the advertisement, which they will ask you to play the video, and that will definitely take much of our time. So, and another one you need to understand is that this particular site, we expect it that it may have what they call KYC. So if you want to understand more, you can go ahead and click on the 3-line button. You can go ahead and find out more. So you only need your Gmail to register on this particular site. You don't need any much data or much information to register, just your Gmail for you to register. And at the same time, you can verify your friends and your family, invite everyone, and everybody will participate. So that is all I have to share with you today. Do well to participate and interact with this particular site, because it has good potential. And the good part of it is that one coin is equals to one number here is equals to one coin. So there's nothing like conversion ratio or that means that we are mining points. We are not mining points in this particular place, rather we are mining the real token. So let's wait to the further updates, and also get engaged with this particular site, because I believe that it will reward the community handsomely. And remember that the more the community grows is the more the mining speed reduces. if they are giving you 1 point something percent text token, then they decrease it. So that is one good thing. That is reason you need to start as early as possible. So that is the information of today. So go ahead and start mining this particular project. Of course, the link will be in the description of this video. So go and click on the video and register directly. So if you find this particular information so helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel and also watch to the end, share to your friends and family, subscribe so that each time we upgrade an information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So be safe and always do the needful, and also always be on the safe side. Bye.